I'm going, or less than a minute, because if it was a full 60 seconds. I'm going to turn this around and I'm going to work it on my phone. I am an absolute novice. I have no experience with this whatsoever, and I'm sure there's going to be a lot of flubs. But let's see how easy it is. Open app. I previously downloaded the app to my phone. It says, welcome to the Cricut family. Let's set up your machine, create a Cricut ID, and make a fun project. Get started. Power on machine. Plug cable into back of machine and power outlet. Press the power button on machine. Ensure there are 10 inches of space in front and back of machine. Here's the power brick. The power cord has a Velcro strip attached to it so you can store it easily. And the plug is in the back of the machine. Plug. Behind the workbench, I've got a plug down here below, so I'm going to use that. Ta-da! Press the power on. Well, it does not tell me, but I need to open up. And press the power button on the machine. Now I hit continue on my smartphone. Location. Bluetooth access required. Location access allows design space to connect with a Cricut device over Bluetooth. Make sure you allow access in the next step. Okay. Allow Cricut design to access. Yes. Allow. Connect to a paired machine by tapping connect. To pair a new machine, select plus. Click plus. And Maker 5cc2 comes up on the phone, and I'm going to click pair. Enter pin to pair with Maker 5cc2, and in parentheses it says try 0000 or 1234. So I'm going to try 1, 2, 3. Oop. I lied. 1, 2, 3, 4. I declare thumb more. Unable to pair. Let's try this again. 0000. Okay. It is now checking firmware. So the 0000 worked, I think. Get your free gifts. Get excited. Your new machine comes stocked with free images and projects. New subscribers also receive a free trial of Cricut Access Standard, unlimited access to the entire design space library of images, fonts, and ready-to-make projects. Plus, enjoy 10% off all Cricut.com purchases. By accepting your gifts, you agree to the Cricut terms of use. Whoever reads those things. Accept gifts. You're only a cut away. Your Cricut machine is registered and ready. Let's make a simple card included with your machine. I can either click no thanks or let's make it. I don't know what this is.
USB cable for connecting it to your computer.
Gotcha. So now we have to decide whether
Awkward
we're gonna...
silence. Is there a red light in the front? Yeah, didn't one. Oh wait, duh. I'm sitting here staring at myself. Technically, you can stare at yourself.
Oh, great. What is that? I like that a lot.